Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Cold Lake local and long distance movers near me. If it's time to hire a cheap Cold Lake moving company, you need 3 Movers. We offer the most affordable and most dependable local and long distance movers in the area. Our team of professionals will make sure you get moved to your new location fast and efficient. Getting the right long distance moving options isn't hard when you choose to work with us. We offer packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Whether you need to relocate across the country or just one city over, we can help make it easier. Our team of long-distance movers knows how to make your relocation simple. You can enjoy your local move more with a Canada Moving Company helping you. The right movers will take care of all the hard work so you don't have to. This can even save you from becoming injured when doing the heavy lifting. 3 Movers offers a streamlined process for your local move. We know how to make moving simple, even if you're just going up the road a few miles. Our team can take care of your move in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cold Lake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.